Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa, your Orlando getaway. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of Orlando's most sought-after resorts, the Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa, located at 9500 Turkey Lake Road. If you're planning your next trip to Florida, this video is for you. Go ahead and give us a like, and you can book your stay using the link in the video description or by scanning the QR code on your screen. Prime location and accommodations. The location is one of the biggest selling points of Westgate Lakes. It's conveniently close to famous attractions like Universal Studios, with a complimentary shuttle service, Point Orlando, and the Orange County Convention Center, making access to parks and entertainment centers incredibly easy. The resort offers an impressive variety of accommodations, from studios to 3-bedroom villas, perfect for families or larger groups. The units are designed for comfort and convenience, featuring full kitchens or kitchenettes, separate living areas, furnished balconies or patios, and elegant bathrooms, many with jetted bathtubs. Amenities and activities, a world of fun. Westgate Lakes is a true paradise for entertainment and relaxation, with something for everyone. Pools and water park. Get ready to cool off in one of the 7 outdoor heated pools and 7 jacuzzis. The highlight is the Treasure Cove Water Park, a pirate-themed water park with thrilling slides, a lazy river, and splash areas, guaranteeing hours of fun for kids and the whole family. Serenity Spa by Westgate. For those seeking relaxation, the Serenity Spa offers a full range of treatments, including massages, body wraps, and facials. It's the perfect place to rejuvenate after a busy day at the parks. Sports and recreation. Stay active with tennis, basketball, and volleyball courts. There's also a miniature golf course, bike rentals, and lake activities like fishing and kayaking. For game lovers, the resort features an arcade and even a bowling alley. Dining options. The resort provides diverse dining choices, including the Drafts Sports Bar and Grill for American cuisine and Sid's Bistro. There are also poolside bars, cafes, and in-room delivery options. Additional amenities. Westgate Lakes also offers a 24-hour fitness center, laundry facilities, convenience stores, a business center, and concierge service to assist with your needs. Wi-Fi access is available, though some guests have reported variations in signal quality. Guest reviews and conclusion. Overall reviews highlight the excellent location, the vast array of amenities and activities, and the good value for money. Many praise the pools and the options for children. However, some comments mention that units might appear a bit dated, and the operating hours for some amenities could be limited. As a timeshare resort, it's possible you might encounter sales presentations during your stay, which is something to consider. Conclusion. The Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa is an excellent choice for families and groups looking for a complete resort experience in Orlando, with countless leisure options and spacious accommodations. Despite some areas for improvement regarding room modernization, the prime location and the endless activities make up for it, making it a memorable vacation destination. Check out more resort details via the link in the bio. So, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this tip, and see you next time.